Well, we're on to some hand sanding now, and having done the 240 grit on the belt grinder with grains going, scratches going that way, we'll come back onto it with a 240 grit stone going the other way. CRC to lubricate it, and these little stones are a real advantage to doing this, because there's no risk of deforming the spine with sandpaper. Even if it's on a hard backing, it can roll over the top, so these stones are nice and flat, and so we get right into that plunge line there. And once we've removed all of the scratches from the belt going the other way, we can move on up through the grits. And I've got a series that I'll use on this, going from the 240 to 300, 400, 600, 800 and then 1000, and then we'll come back with 800 and then 1000 grit paper again, and I'll decide at that stage how much further I'm going to take it. Now the thing with these wee stones, and with this very, very slightly flexible sanding board that I've got in here, you can start with almost no pressure, so you do start to get nice strokes without the J hooks in it, and it's much easier to come in after that. So you're coming with almost no pressure and you're lifting at the other end, and it makes for a much simpler sand off, or going up through the grits without these big J hooks that can be a real problem at times. Now of course we've got to do the ricasso as well. And we're continuing to clean that off so we can see, because the grit discolours the surface quite rapidly, which means that you're getting a good cut with these wee stones. I hadn't paid a great deal of attention to this on the belt grinder, so there's a little bit more here to take off. We will continue doing that and come back to it after we've got more of it done.